In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a stroke to only one side of an object in Figma, a simple yet powerful feature that can enhance your designs substantially. Let's dive right in by opening up Figma, the collaborative interface design tool we all love for its versatility and ease of use. First things first, you need to navigate to the Figma website. If you're not already logged in, look for the login button and click on it. This step ensures you have access to all the features and resources Figma has to offer. Once you've logged in, you'll be taken to your home screen in Figma. This is where all your design files are located, and from this central hub you can jump into any project or get started on something new. With access to your workspace, let's locate the component you want to modify. Select the specific object within your design to which you'd like to add the stroke. It's important to make sure you have the correct component selected, as any changes will apply specifically to the active selection. Now that you've chosen your component, it's time to add the stroke. Look for the stroke option in the right hand panel. This panel is your primary control center for object properties, where you can change colors, adjust dimensions, and much more. Click on the stroke option to bring up its settings. Within the stroke settings there is an option called position. Clicking on this will unfold additional settings related to the stroke's alignment and placement. It might seem like a small detail, but choosing the right stroke position can significantly impact the visual outcome of your design. Figma allows you to modify where the stroke appears in relation to the object, whether it's centered inside or outside. Now this is the part that's particularly interesting. By setting the stroke to display on only one side, you can create unique effects such as simulating shadows or creating boundaries without affecting the entire object. To do this, you'll need to cleverly manipulate the stroke's alignment and possibly adjust the design by overlaying components. That sums up today's tutorial. You now have the skills to add a stroke to just one side of your object in Figma, opening up a world of creative possibilities. Experiment with these settings, test them out in your different design projects, and watch your work transform into something that stands out. As always, practice makes perfect. Thank you for watching, and happy designing.